Lesson 8. AI Courses, Activating Your Secret Token on Lenxel Portal. Introduction. Welcome back to the Lenxel Tutorial Series. In this lesson for developers, we'll guide you through the complete process of generating your secret token on the Lenxel Portal and activating it on your WordPress site. This essential setup unlocks AI-powered course generation. Let's get started. Steps to obtain secret token. Ensure proper setup. Complete Lesson 7 Basics first. Connect your site URL via portal. Visit https://portal.lenxel.ai and create/verify your account. Enter your website URL to link it. Copy token from portal dashboard. After setup, copy the generated token. Steps to activate full features. Paste and verify on WordPress. Return to your WordPress admin. Go to Lenxel Settings, navigate to get started/activation. Click on Plugin Activation. Paste the secret token into the secret token field and click Activate. Confirm activation. Return to your portal dashboard, navigate to Profile on the profile icon. Click on Sites to confirm site verification. Congratulations! We have successfully activated your site. Thank you for tuning in.